Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on XVG. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a falling wedge pattern, the price end of XVG was rejected by another quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 1.7 cents. This is the resistance zone, by the way, and it starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And on this live chart, you can see that after this rejection, the pricing has dropped down at this next long-term support of 1 cent. So if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the pricing is bounced from this support. And now after getting rejected again by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents, the pricing is moving down to test this support of 1 cent once again. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And in fact, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I've been telling you that once XVG will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very massive rally. And so far, from this low to the current high, you can see that XVG has rallied almost 1384%. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you this trade signal that I shared with my members on 19th of November 2024. And so far, this signal has produced almost 37% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my this trade signal that I shared on 19th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal, bad move that XVG was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected, the price and drop down, completed the final leg of this bad move and reverse bullish. And this was almost 37% pump. Before that, we got almost 31% pump, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that I shared in the same month of November on 18th of November 2024. And this move was formed on a 1-hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. The buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 31% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of XVG, and this is the 7-day time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the daily one. And here on this daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this wedge. And after the breakout, the price and has been retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as support and geared up. And the target for the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 1 cent. And you can see that the price and has rallied beyond that target. And now after the breakout from this wedge, now we are, by the way, switch to the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price and is rejected by this long-term resistance on that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. And if we take a look at the previous history of this resistance on, then you can see that previously it has been working as a resistance on here. And for several months, it has been working as a support on here as well. Therefore, again, it is flipped into a very strong resistance and the price and is rejected. And recently, we have tested this long-term support of 1 cent. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price had bounced from this support of 1 cent and again got rejected by this long-term resistance on. In fact, we have been rejected by this resistance on 2 times recently. And now after this rejection, the price is again moving down to test this support of 1 cent once again. For example, if the price breaks down this 1 cent support, then it can drop down to the next long-term support of 0.0045. That will be a very big drop. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0045 has been working as a very strong resistance here for several months. And before that, it was working as support here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. And now if we take a look at this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very nice rally, but so far the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.